Okay, I've had to resort to put in a saddle with wing protectors on Jasper and on selenite. I've got selenite in my arms right now because Onyx is real aggressive on mating with them, and it's pulling their feathers off. So I've had to resort to putting a saddle on them. Now, Jasper's feathers are off where Onyx mates with her, but the skin's not broken. Selenite here, on the other hand, let me turn the phone around. Okay, selenite here, I've got it on her, but you see all the blue medication I've put on her. Because she's picking at it herself. She's cannibalizing herself. Where Onyx had taken those feathers off, and she started picking at it and made a good size place on it. So I had cleaned it up with hydrogen peroxide, and then I put the blue, it's called blue wound, blue lotion, something like that. And but let's see what Jasper over there is doing. Jasper, quit it! Quit it, Jasper! See what Jasper's doing? The same thing. So it doesn't do any good to separate them, because they're picking at it themselves. What the saddles do is protects their backs and the inside of their body under their feathers, so that he won't do any more damage. But they're doing the damage to themselves now. So you can't see because it's underneath there. The dark purple is to keep any other chickens from picking at her, because chickens pick at red and they'll see blood and they'll pick. But in this instance, she's picking herself. So I'm just holding her right now so she can calm down. I don't know any other thing to do. I've cleaned it and put medication on it and put the saddles on it, but they're picking themselves. There's nothing I can do about it. So I got them outside right now. It is cold weather, but the sun is out, so they'll enjoy being out there. But Jasper and selenite is Onyx's favorite. And so they're just so easy going that they'll just sit down, and he's just aggressive when he breeds. So if it keeps up, I will definitely find a home for Onyx. Selenite's falling asleep right here in my arms. So if I see it's getting worse, I'll find a home for him. Okay. Look, Jasper's still over there around Onyx. But he can't get out. He can't get to her. But selenite is hiding. Selenite is stressed. Got her head through the fence. Hiding. Well, she thinks she's hiding.